Hello everybody, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in this video today, I wanted to show you something slightly different from the usual AI automation that I'm generally showing, but it's still very relevant in the context of digital marketing. So here, what I have here is what I'm using Firefly Adobe. And it's basically like it's a video generating tool. The reason why I'm showing it is because back in the days, you would have had to use a creative agency and go through the whole process of briefing the creative agency, spend a bunch of money to create videos that nowadays anybody with creativity and enough willpower to learn how to use them can now create. So I just wanted to show you quickly how it works. So here, what we have, for example, what we have received from a client is we have received 5 images. Okay, so here are the images that we have received from the client. I'll give you an example. So this is an example of one of the images. This is an example of another one of the images. And you might see what direction I'm going to. This is an example of another one of the images that we have received from the client. So the idea is out of the images, now generating a video that we can use ourselves in the ad. So here, you're gonna have to, this is gonna go frame by frame, video by video. So you're going to have to do it bit by bit. So you can select frame number 1 and frame number 2. So the idea is we have built this, the prompt is straight out of ChatGPT. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's very descriptive, obviously, to create a video that switches from one image onto the other, and then we're going to move on image by image, video by video to create our ad. So now we have our prompt, and then we're going to generate. It's taking a while to generate, so I'm just going to show you the final product of the first transition. So this is a video of the first transition, okay, just with just 2 images, right? No sound, nothing at all yet. So now what's going to happen is we're going to move forward and then add 2 more images. And with that, I'm sure that you get the concept. We're going to create the ad. Now, once I have all the images one after another, which I do have here, what I'm going to do, you can use different tools. You can use CapCut, you can use Canva. I don't mind either or. I think they're fairly easy to use. So normally here, you just add your video here in Canva. And then what you can do, you can add the text, you can add all the elements that you like, and it's most of you are certainly familiar with Canva. And once this is done, actually you're gonna have a final product that is gonna look like this. Go. 28-second video, short and simple, perfect for YouTube videos and great for meta ads. If you're interested in having us creating the video and launching digital campaign for you, do not hesitate to get in contact with us at ClickTrust.be. Thank you.